Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here, December 23rd, middle of the day, watching a little football. Let me turn that baby down and working my businesses. And I'm very excited to do another video for you so quickly after my last one because I mean to try to do one every day or every other day, but I get busy with family and trading and all that good stuff and helping our current team members. So let me get some of the particulars out of the way. If you are happy with this video and you want more content, please subscribe down here, like, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments, all that good stuff. If you are interested in joining the opportunity I'm about to talk to about is there's a link down there in the bio. If you are also interested in maybe not joining our team yet, but interested in getting more information, there's another link down there that you can get on our newsletter. So, as I said, my name is Jeff Casmer. If this is the first time you've seen any of my videos, I am an affiliate marketer, Forex trader, network marketer, all those good stuff. And I wanted to do a quick video today on creating millionaires, okay? How do you become a millionaire, all right? We see online and on the news and Forbes and all types of communication platforms, millionaires, how they became a millionaire, whether they built a business or won the lottery or inherited, all those types of things. Well, we have on our specific team, we have a goal of creating 1,000 millionaires. And it's not just some goal that we just throw out there and hope that people achieve it. We are going to create 1,000 millionaires, okay? And you want to be on our team when we start creating those millionaires. And we create those millionaires through a platform called IMarketsLive, okay? And that's this. IMarketsLive is a trading an educational platform that teaches you how to trade Forex. What is Forex? Okay, this is the trading of currency that there's trillions of dollars traded all the time in our markets. Okay, so IMarketsLive was developed 6 years ago and is just absolutely exploding on the scene, exploding in the market, and is primed for a monster 2019 year. Okay, we have a specific team that my direct sponsor created, and he is the number one recruiter in the company, and not because he's a good recruiter. He's a Forex trader that's been around 15 years. It's because we are changing lives with the platforms and the resources that we provide in our specific group that helps along the IMarketsLive membership. If you've got the IMarketsLive membership right now and you already have it and you can't get on our team if you're already a customer, obviously, then you're in great hands. You have all the necessary tools to be successful. What we created is we created a goal that we're going to make 1,000 millionaires through the IML education platform, as well as the individual things as our team that we offer our current members. The reason that we are doing this is because our leader, our mentor, he makes tons of money already. Tons. He wants to help everybody that becomes part of his team to be successful. That's our only goal. That's the reason he is successful, is because people stay on the team, right? They don't start a program for a month and then quit, right? They consistently stay as members of IMarketsLive. Why? They make money. And they educate themselves on how to trade Forex, right? So that if the company just said went out of business tomorrow, you could trade Forex and make money. That's our purpose, okay? So I would want to invite you to really think about getting inside of our group and becoming a part of our team, okay? All you have to do is you can reach me and you can get inside of our group that's just prospective customers, right? I don't want a dime from you. You don't have to, you can look around, all kinds of things. You can get a free peek inside what typically happens in our group. Not everything, not all the secret sauce, because we have a separate group for our actual team inside Facebook, okay? So here's what I want you to do if you really are interested, okay? And by the way, this is our team right here. If you want to get inside our team, then you want to reach me on Facebook, okay? You can leave a comment here. We can try to exchange communication. You gotta send me a friend request, okay? You send me a friend request, and then I'm going to obviously accept it, and then I'm going to put you inside of our group, okay? You can look around as long as you want. You could be there a week, you could be there a month, you could be there 6 months, doesn't matter. We have people that are inside this group for 6 months and then say, light bulb comes on, oh, I guess I should do something and try to change my life. And then once you become an actual customer of our team, then we get you inside of our specific team group that we are helping people every single day. Leaders like myself, okay? Helping everybody, okay? We help everybody, whether I personally sponsor you into our team or somebody else, okay? We are dedicated as a team, okay? And let me get, this is one of my leaders. Hold on a second here. This is one of my leaders right now. All right, let me get everybody out of here. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's what the great thing is about our team. We are helping each other constantly. So the purpose of the video is creating millionaires, making people millionaires. We have a specific goal to make 1,000 millionaires. 1,000. And we're dead serious. And yes, there are necessary steps. You have to do a little bit of learning. But anybody who's familiar with IML, the swipetrades app is a great way to start your journey onto becoming a millionaire. We have people that have made all kinds of money just using the swipetrades app in itself. That's it. That's the only thing they use, okay? And then we have people that want to use all the tools, see? And this is the beauty about IML. Let me get you in here real quick, okay? And, and then it's all the IML products that you can get in. So look at this, IML Academy, all right? And I'm going to do a video on each one so you can kind of see what's going on here, okay? But these are some of the things that we have to offer. And IML Academy, swing trades, night owl sessions with our CEO, the web analyzer, swipecoin for cryptocurrency, harmonic scanner, IML TV, swipe trade, it just goes on and on, okay? So we are doing whatever it takes to help 1,000 people become millionaires, all right? Every day I'm answering questions, okay, and helping members every single day, okay? And let me get no, I don't need any live support. So this is what this video is for, okay? 2019, we're going to continue to explode. Our leader, one of the mentors, I'm one of the leaders as well. We are unleashing some additional stuff for 2019 that I'm not going to quite share with you quite yet, okay? So we specifically have a wonderful team that you want to get on board and start changing your life, okay? If you think you know nothing about Forex, you're wrong. You don't need to know anything about Forex because guess what? I knew nothing about Forex. Absolutely nothing. I didn't even know what Forex stood for. And if you've seen my other videos, I say the same thing. I knew nothing about Forex, okay? And I've been with this company now almost 1.5 years, okay? So if you don't have the monthly money for a monthly membership, that's not a good enough excuse, okay? Uber, pizza, all kinds of things that you can do to get that monthly membership because what you're going to be making in trading is going to cover your monthly cost. And guess what? Let's say you start out a little slow in the first couple of weeks, right? You're learning, you're demo trading. Demo trading means fake money. And you refer a couple customers. Guess what? Your membership is free. You don't even have to build the network marketing component of the business. You can just be a customer. Over 90% of our customers are just customers. They're not building that side. But there's also an incentive. If you bring 2 customers aboard, as long as those 2 customers are active and paying members, your membership's free. And guess what? You get every product inside your membership free, every single one, okay? So that's not an excuse, okay? It's not an excuse. Time of the year, that's not an excuse, okay? It's December 23rd, and I'm working on my business. In fact, the markets are going to get open soon, okay? For Christmas Eve, then they close, all right? So there is money to be made. Now, remember, I have to say this in every video. There is risk in trading. Past profits don't guarantee future results. However, with the resources and the available tools that we have and some of the new strategies that we have just unleashed, as a company as well as on our team, we have people that are crushing it all the time. But you have to take the first step. You have to get on board. And I'm not asking for zero, not one penny, okay? Just reach me, get inside of our Facebook group. You can look around as long as you want, okay? When you're ready to become a customer, you get back to me and say, Jeff, I'm ready. And you get inside there, and then you take it. You take it. There's money to be made in the Forex markets, but you have to have a little knowledge, not much, because you can start with swipe trades, and that's just copy and paste, all right? But you need a little bit, which we show you how to get, and then you can crush the markets every day they're open. It's as simple as that, okay? Creating millionaires. That's what we intend to do in 2019 and beyond. We are going to create 1,000 millionaires. Are you one of the 1,000? Or are you one of the people that's not going to get started or come up with an excuse why not to start? Or I got to pay, I got to pay my storage bill. There's all kinds of reasons. Take a second job, stop eating out late at night. There's all kinds of reasons. You have got to take that first step to changing your life. Do you realize that I am in the same boat as you? I tried opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. Now, I've been making money online for 18 years, okay? But there's many opportunities that I didn't jump on right away. Didn't jump on right away. And time is money. Time is wasted. You don't get that time back, right? You lose that. Once that day's gone, you don't get that day back. Get your day back, okay? Get your day back, change your life, make money in the Forex industry, and we're going to show you how. And you can be one of the 1,000 millionaires that we are creating in our specific team starting in 2019. That's it. Till next time.